Welcome back as we officially catch up now, starting the fourth parak of Masechtas Tamid, learning today's Mishna Yomis. Lo yekayfsin es hatele. They didn't, when they bound the sheep for the Tamid, they didn't tie its two right legs together and its two left legs together. Elam aktin, I say, they did it in the form of an akeda. They tied one front leg together with one hind leg, and the other front leg with the other hind leg. Misha zachu ba'evarim, the one who merited to take the limbs, oichsin bay, they hold the animal in place. V'kachoisa akedasai, and how is it positioned when it was tied? Roishay l'darim, its head faced the south, upanav l'marav. And in other words, the animal was from south to north, so that its rump shouldn't do anything untoward in front of the Beis Hamikdash. Its head was to the south, upanav l'dam, but they turned it to the west. Hasheichet Tamid b'mizrach, the sheichet stands in the east, upanav l'marav, facing the west, facing the Beis Hamikdash. Shel shachar ayanishchet al keren zvainis marabas. Remember, the Tamid is kodesh kadashim. It has to be shechted in the north. The Tamid of the morning was slaughtered by the northwestern corner. Al tabash shnia in on the ring in the second row. And that was the second row, the northwesternmost ring in the second row. That was a ring that they picked up and put the head underneath it to hold it in place. Shachar ha-sheichet, then the sheichet shechts it. The kibel ha-makabel, and the kohen catches the blood in the clay sharis. Then boiloi the keren mizrachas tzvainis. Remember, it's shtayim shem arba. It's two corners, which are four. So he comes first to the northeastern corner, the noisin mizrachas tzvaina, and he throws the blood where it goes both on the east and the north. Then maravas draimis. Then he goes to the southwestern corner, menoisin marava drama, where he throws it and goes on the west and the south. Shari Adam, the remainder of the blood, Yeshayfech al Yisai Draimis, to the southern base of the Mizbeach. Now, when they skinned the animal, Loya Yeshayver Baya Esarega, they didn't break its hind leg like they usually did when they skinned it. Elanoikvai Miteich Erkavai, rather they perforated it by the knee, Visailabai, and hung it. And they flayed Adshu, remember they flayed it from the feet, they flayed it Adshu Magil Chaza until they reached the breast. Higil Chaza, when they reached the breast, they cut off the head on the son of Lamisha Zachabay and gave the head to the one that would carry the head to the ramp. Then they cut the four legs from the knee down on the son of Lamisha Zachabam and gave it to those that were Zeicha, the one who was Zeicha to carry that to the ramp. Then Merikis Ahefshit, then he finished the flaying. Karas Alev, he tore out the heart, Voitzias Dami, purging it from its blood, because that blood is leftover blood from the Shechita, which doesn't go on the Mizbeach, because it wasn't caught by a clay sharis. So he has to get rid of that blood. He then cut the four legs on the son of Lamisha Zachabam and gave it to the Kohanim that was Zeicha to carry the four legs. All regular Yamanis, he went to the right hind leg, Chatka on the son of Lamisha Zachabah, and he gave it to the one who merited it. Ushtei Beim Ima, and its two testicles came with it. Krai, then he tore it completely open. V'nimtza kule gali lefanav, and now all of it was revealed. The insides were revealed. Not less hapoder, he took the fat on his son al beis hashchita areish malon. He put it by the place of the cut, so it shouldn't look unseemly. Not less a kravayim, he took the innards on the son of Lamisha Zachabam, and he gave it to those that merited Ladichan, to rinse them out. Vakeres, the stomach which contains most of the waste, Medichan, so that was taken specially to be rinsed, the base Medichan, in the chamber of rinsing, Kol Tzarcha, and there it was rinsed until it was cleaned. Vakravayim, the innards, Medichan Oisai Shloisha Pa'amim B'miyuta, they rinsed it at least 3 times, and they did that in the Beis HaMitbachayim, Al Shulchan Shel Shayish, on the marble tables that we already explained, Shebeinu Amudim, that were between the dwarf poles in the Beis HaMitbachayim. Okay, Rabbi Isai, we caught up, at least for now, with the Mishnah Yomis. Tomorrow we will do one block at 8:45, and whether we'll have a for the Shabbos table or not will be determined. Have a good night, everyone.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.